Want to unlock a goldmine of real estate deals hiding within divorce filings? Let's dive into Propstream and uncover how to pinpoint potential divorce leads, giving you a serious edge in the market. First, log into Propstream and select your target market on the map next. Click the filter button to reveal the powerful search options we'll be using. This is where the magic happens. Scroll down to the Quick List Choices section and select Pre-Probate Divorce. This single filter narrows down properties where divorce filings have been recorded. Now, refine your search by adding an ownership time filter targeting properties owned for a reasonable amount of time, say 5 to 15 years, can indicate a more established marriage potentially ending. Next, set the last market sale date to at least 5 years ago. This helps you avoid recently flipped properties and focus on homes where the couple likely lived together for a while. Add an equity filter. Aim for properties with at least 50% equity. This provides a cushion for negotiation and increases the likelihood of a motivated seller needing to liquidate assets. Finally, refine the property type to match your investment strategy. Single-family homes and condos are common choices, but select what aligns with your preference. Propstream will now display a list of properties matching your criteria. Review the results, analyze the property details, and start reaching out. Remember, be empathetic and professional in your approach. This is a sensitive situation, and building rapport is key to securing deals, and that's how you find divorce leads with Propstream.